let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Do you struggle with passing the ball on Hoops Life? Okay, that's all I needed to hear. I got you. Today I will be showing not only you, but everybody that struggles to pass on controller, how to pass the ball on controller without having to reach over to your keyboard and struggle to pass the ball and wasting time and getting stripped. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the tutorial. I'm not here to waste anybody's time. And I did see one of your comments saying you guys want the True Menace build. I got you. That's probably gonna be the next video I do. Depending on how everything goes, it might be up today. It might. I don't want to make any promises, but I know this video for sure will. Alright, so we loading into gym right now. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be kind of difficult. I'm gonna try to put like an illustration of my controller somewhere on the screen so I can show you guys exactly what to press, but I'm gonna try to describe it as best as possible. So what you want to do is, it's really weird, but what you want to do is literally, you know how to dribble, like the arrow keys, so you want to press right, and then depending on what controller you are on, for Xbox I believe is I think it's A on Xbox, and PS4 is X. So what you want to do is the right arrow key and then press, you want to press A or X, boom. But you got to do it at the same time. I know it's doing like a drop animation, but in part that's how you pass on controller. That's literally it. I'm gonna go ahead and go to park to show you guys. That's like, and just to make sure, I am on controller. Look, I am on controller. You can't do this on keyboard. Boom, right arrow and then A or X, depending on what console controller you're using. But I will show proof. I'm gonna go to the park right now and I will be on controller. I'm not, see, you can even see the buttons. I'm not using keyboard at all. I promise you guys, I'm not lying to you. You could try it out yourself, and if it works for you, let me know down in the comments and you guys can come back to the video and thank me or not. It's up to you, but we finna go to park and check it out. Actually, no, I'm not gonna go to park. I'm gonna do matchmaking. Alright, so let's get it, man. We are in the game. I'm finna show you guys how to pass it. I know it says 1, but I promise I'm still on controller. Hold on, I gotta clamp up. Dang, come on, bro. Come on, dude. My bad, y'all. I gotta lock in. I just want to show that I can pass the ball. I'm not even trying to win this game, bro. I just want to show that I can pass the ball. That's all I'm trying to do on controller. That's all I want to do, man. Skill issue. All right, so look, same thing, y'all. Same thing. I'm gonna show y'all. Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Dribble a little bit at the same time. It's not working. Why is it not working? Here, right pass, boom. That's how you pass it. Literally, it works here, but I don't understand why it doesn't work in matchmaking. Let me go ahead and dunk on buddy. Hey, he wasn't there. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm still on controller. I'm gonna do it again like this, but either way I might show it on, like, I might show like an illustration on stream, but I mean on the video. But just in case, right arrow, A or X, boom, and now you can pass on controller without reaching to your keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial helped. Let's get straight to it, man.